Step 1. Surround yourself with English. The first step to learning English is to surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Listen to English music, watch English movies and TV shows, read English books, and try to speak in English as much as possible. You can also join English conversation clubs or online communities to practice your skills. Step 2. Learn English grammar. The second step is to learn English grammar. Grammar is the backbone of any language, and learning it from the very beginning will help you understand the language better. You can start with basic grammar rules and then move on to more advanced ones. Step 3. Start with common phrases and vocabulary. The third step is to start with common phrases and vocabulary. You don't need to memorize the entire English dictionary. Start with the most commonly used words and phrases that you will use in your daily life. For example, hello, how are you? What's your name?